Hi friends, welcome to WebChamp. In this video, I'm going to discuss what is card, what is multi-row card, and KPI visual in Power BI. Okay. So whenever you have to represent the single value, which is aggregated, which can be sum, which can be a count, which can be average, okay, or minimum or maximum value of any specific number column. So we use card only, card type visual only. If you wants to show the list of multiple values, in that case what we can do, we can use the multi-row card. Okay, and multi-row card is just used to display the multiple rows of data in tabular format. It is like a table but in more compact and efficient. Okay, for displaying the data with lesser formatting options. Okay, meaning that when we use the multi-row card, we don't have the, or we do, meaning whenever we don't want to do much formatting, in that case we can use the multi-row card also. Okay, then what is KPI? So KPI, whenever you have to show the trends and what is happening and where we are standing with respect to our the target value, in that case we can use the KPI. Basically it's a measurement that organization uses to evaluate their performance and progress towards the achieving their strategic goal and objective. Okay, so this is what the KPI, but let's see how we can use these visuals in Power BI now. Okay, first we will see how to create a card. Okay, if you go to the visualization pane, there is something called card. Okay, immediately after that there is something called multi-row card, and on next line there is something called KPI. So all those three charts I'm going to discuss here. So just select the card type visual and go to the any numerical column. Okay, and you can select that value, just select the column and drag on the card. Okay, so by default it will shows some, but if you want to make the changes to this aggregation functions, what it should show, so you can go and simply shows the average also, minimum, maximum also, count distinct values, and then count. Okay, so accordingly you can perform the various operations like standard deviation, variance, and median. Also you can take from this directly on the, you can show directly the data on the card. Okay, this is fine. This is all about the card. Okay, this is what the use of card. Whenever, then when to use the multi-row card. Okay, so let's say we have multi-row card, and if you wants to show the data, okay, you want to show the data of customer occupations as a list somewhere in your report, so you can use the multi-row cards. Okay, even this can be used to show the multiple values, aggregated values, like, so we use the single card here, but if you want to show the multiple values, we can use this multi-row card also. That purpose also, it's fine. Okay, so as per the requirement, you can use either card or multi-row card. And then what is the KPI? Okay, let's say this is a KPI visual, and obviously it shows increase or decrease in your data with respect to the trend. Okay, so let's go to the sales column. Okay, and if I go and if I select the sales amount first, so this is what my value. Then if I would like to show this amount, or I would like to see the trend by month in a specific year, so I can do that. Okay, and this is what my current amount where I'm standing. The problem is what, how this chart will identify what is the target. So you need to define the target value also. See, if I go down in the sales, okay, there is something called target, and you may have fixed target. Okay, and accordingly you can see that it is showing me the target, but yes, the amount is in negative. That's why it is highlighted in the row. Why? Because I have taken the sum of target. Okay, instead of that I should take average, and the moment I change that aggregation, you can see that this visual is turned. Okay, when this visual turns in the green, you can say that you made the target, you are above the target value. Okay, but if this is in the red color, red shaded area, then you can say that the you are yet to reach the point. Okay, and this also shows the trends. Okay, this also shows the trends, how these sales changed. Okay, this is what the trends, and you can okay, meaning what is happening across the months in a year, you can visualize on the KPI also. So this is very simple. Okay, basically KPI used to KPI stands for key performance indicator, and yes, whenever you have to track the matrices in visuals, we can use the KPI. Whenever you have to evaluate the performance of business, so we can use the KPI. Okay, I hope you like the content of this video. Thank you so much for watching the video. Have a nice day.